In this video, Nina will help us make cauliflower rice or caulirice. Okay, first we have to remove the stem and the leaves of the cauliflower. Then we rinse it and clean it, wash it. And while you're doing that, while you're washing it, you can already separate them into smaller chunks. Just right to fit in our grater later on. So this is our fixer, our usher, our grater, our handler, our pusher. So Nina will attach all these parts. So first is fix the fixer, attach the usher, and then the grater, and connect the grater to the handle. And then get the pusher to push that cauliflower to the grater. Okay, so let's do this one by one. Put the cauliflower and just rotate the handler. We're ready to heat it up, so just use low heat in your oven. Mix it, spread it out. And did you know that cauliflower is very nutritious? It has vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin B6, and lots of fiber. Really good alternative to your regular rice. So that's it. Leave it in 5 minutes and you can already use it with your usual ham, party plates, etc. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and post your comments if you have questions, and also visit our website at www.kalugan.com. Thank you.